Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 78, Bottle. So here's another lateral thinking puzzle. I hope you enjoy it. Here we go. How can the coin be removed from the bottle without removing the cork from the bottle or breaking the bottle? A clue will be given on the next slide. So I'll leave this on for a few minutes. Let's see how you go. Please try and solve it, and I'll definitely give you a clue on the next slide. Okay, as promised, here is the clue on the next slide. That's if you're having trouble solving it. Here is your clue. So the puzzle was, how can the coin be removed from the bottle without removing the cork from the bottle or breaking the bottle? And the clue is to read this part of the question very carefully. Without removing the cork from the bottle. So that's the clue. And the answer is on the next slide. So I'll go to the next slide in about 1 minute's time. So if you still haven't solved it, I think this clue might help you. Good luck with it. Okay, I wonder how you went. Okay, let's have a look on the next slide for the answer. So the puzzle was, how can the coin be removed from the bottle, excuse me, without removing the cork from the bottle or breaking the bottle? And the answer, push the cork into the bottle. So after you do that, you can obviously remove the coin. I hope you enjoyed that. And I wonder if you got it. I think you might have solved that one. If you would like to subscribe to my channel or access another puzzle, you can do so on the next slide. And I hope you look forward to plenty more of my puzzles in the future.